Oh, you will, thank you very much. Now, we've got to do a little interview now, but first what I want you to ask, I know you haven't been here long, but what do you think of this brilliant crowd here in Royal Woolwich Arsenal?
Well, you know, I'm just very pleased that you've all made the effort to come out, and you're all big Who fans, right? Yeah, you are, cool. And I'm a Londoner myself, so, you know, it's nice to be home, man. It's nice to be home, it really is.
Okay, and Karen, we want to bring you in as well because, you know, our audience haven't been getting enough of you, and they really want it. And we're going to see lots of you in the programme.
Yeah, we're going to meet Amy in episode 1 in a really exciting, interesting way, and you're going to see lots and lots of adventures involving Amy throughout the series.
And is Amy, you know, are you, you know, you know...
Well, there might be a bit of... there might be a bit of romance, you never know, we shall see.
Audience, do you think they make a lovely couple? What do you think, yeah?